Hey, Ross, look.
That's a fish. That's a big one. It's not a bad one. First cast. Oh my goodness. That was crazy. I saw ripples coming right up on it. And this guy just smoked it. He's not bad either. He's got a big old mouth. He's about 1.5 pounds. He might be 2. But he was giving up a fight too. That was crazy. It's a nice little fish right here. Not a bad fish. That's a very, oh God, he sprayed me everywhere. Golly. Oh, oh my God. Dude, I wasn't even paying attention. That was crazy. There's one. This one's not too bad compared to what we've been catching all day. Yeah. Pretty fish. He's about maybe 1 pound, a little below 1 pound. Got a little gash. A couple of fish I've caught today got a couple gashes on them. It's number 2. Let's get some more. Oh, there's definitely gonna be a fish on that. Yep, there's one. Oh, dude. I must have set the hook a little too hard on him. I mean, it was literally as soon as it landed, my line just twitched. And I got over my slack and just yanked it. Pulled it right out of his freaking mouth. There's one. Yep. Dang, we're about 20 minutes into fishing. And we've already got us 3. Let's go. Let's keep it going. Oh, no way. You've got to be kidding me. I'm sure y'all saw that. Oh, there he is. He got it now. That's funny. If y'all didn't see that, I was reeling up. Hold on, let me shut this guy up real fast. I was reeling my Senko up to make a new cast, and as soon as it gets to the top of water, I see this guy jump up because he tried to bite at it. He's a little too small to eat this thing, but still got it. Two casts in a row. They are loving the Senko. They are loving the Senko. I'm telling you guys, fish a Senko. I mean, it's in like every single one of my fishing videos. Like, there's so many. This Senko, every time I go fishing, I always have the wacky rig set up, because if I'm not ever catching anything, I put the wacky rig on and it always catches fish no matter what. This guy is really pretty. He's like dark, really pretty looking fish. But anyways, here he goes. There's another one. Yeah. Oh, wow. This is the tiniest fish. Well, maybe another really tiny fish. Oh my goodness. Wow, this guy is so skinny. I could barely put my thumb in his mouth. Oh my goodness. That's funny. There's one. Oh my goodness, dude, another little one. I didn't even know if I had them or not. They're all the same. All the same. All the fish that I've caught in this little pocket right here are all the exact same size. Like, I thought I felt something hit it, and then I didn't feel anything like swimming off or anything. Turns out he was actually on there. There's gonna be one camped up under that tree right there. Yep. A really small one. He came off. My goodness. Tore up my worm though. See if I'll take it again. Freaking rods. There he is. Got him. So another small one. He ate it good. Oh, it's all the way down in there. Got it. I don't even know. I think this is number 5, something like that. They're starting to get smaller. The couple ones that the first 2 or 3 that I caught at the beginning were actually pretty decent sized, and now they're getting smaller. That's probably because I'm close to the banks. And if I really wanted to go try to catch some big ones, I'd get on a crankbait, like a deep crankbait, and get out in the middle of the water. But I mean, it's just too late now, and this is probably really late in the video. So, gonna catch one. Whoa, whoa, almost lost my balance. Almost just fell in the freaking pond. Seth hooked a little bit too aggressively there. See, I knew right before I threw in there, I was like, there's gonna be one stacked up right there. And there sure was. My camera ran out of storage. My GoPro's finna run out of battery, so I might catch more that I just won't get on video. But I'm still crushing them out here. I've caught so many fish today. Oh shoot, I just got... Oh, he's on there. Yeah, he was really small. I couldn't tell if I had one or not. Ugh. Had to move back to adjust my camera. But here's another one, 2 casts in a row. So another really, really tiny one. But they are really biting out here on the Senko. Bait up, there he is. Man, they are crushing it, dude. It is insane how many fish I'm catching on this bait. I mean, it is cast after cast everywhere I go. So they're all really small, but it's still really fun.